Let's be real. Paying off debt isn't just about the math, it's about mindset, hard choices, and seeing through the lies that we've been sold about money. If you've ever wondered why you're doing all of the right things but you still feel stuck, then this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down 6 hard truths no one tells you about paying off debt, plus a bonus tip to help you save even more along the way. So, let's jump right into it. Hard truth number 1. The financial system is designed to keep you broke. From the moment you step into adulthood, the financial system begins pulling you into a trap. Credit card ads sell you a dream, luxury travel, fancy dinners, and freedom to buy whatever you want. But what they're really offering is a cycle of debt disguised as a lifestyle. You're told that success means going to college, even if it means borrowing tens of thousands of dollars. Building credit, even if it means always carrying a balance. And getting a good job, even if it barely covers your bills. You follow all the steps and still end up stressed, anxious, and broke. Here's the truth. Our financial system profits when you're in debt. You paying interest is the core of their business model. Once you understand that, you can stop playing by their rules and start creating your own. Hard truth number 2. It's not all your fault, but it is your responsibility. Yes, the system is broken. Yes, you probably got bad advice. Maybe your counselor told you those loans were good debt. Maybe your uncle told you to open that credit card to help you build credit. Maybe you just really wanted that limited edition iPhone. But here's the thing. It's still your name on those accounts. You signed the loan documents. You made the purchases, and now it's your responsibility to fix it. Blame doesn't get you out of debt. Only action does. The good news is that you don't have to wait for anyone's permission. You can start taking control of your debt today. Hard truth number 3. If you're stuck, it's because you're choosing not to move. Let's be honest. Getting out of debt isn't fun. It often means cutting up credit cards, selling your car, working extra jobs, or saying no to things you want. But the alternative? Living paycheck to paycheck, dreading your next bill, and constantly feeling like you're drowning. You get to choose which hard you'd rather have. There's no easy option here. Just the hard that leads to freedom and the hard that keeps you trapped. If you're stuck, you need to ask yourself, what am I choosing by staying here? Hard truth number 4. Change always sucks at first. Change is uncomfortable. You'll want to quit, you'll feel awkward, and in the beginning, your new money habits won't feel natural at all. But discomfort doesn't mean something is wrong or bad. It just means that you're growing. Just like breaking in a stiff pair of boots, getting used to a new financial lifestyle will take some time. You'll eventually settle into a new rhythm, and that once painful change will become your new normal. So embrace the suck and just keep going. Hard truth number 5. You need a why that's bigger than your excuses. You can't rely on motivation alone to get you out of debt. You need a reason, a powerful personal reason why. Without it, it's too easy to fall back into your old habits. Maybe your why is breaking a generational cycle of poverty. Maybe it's being able to retire early, travel the world, or simply sleep at night without constantly worrying about your bank balance. Whatever your why is, make it clear. Make it specific. Write it down and look at it when the process gets hard. Because it's going to get hard. But your why will help you keep going. Hard truth number 6. Transformation is a journey, not a quick fix. We live in a world of overnight success stories, but when it comes to getting out of debt, real transformation takes time. The average person following a structured plan like the debt snowball can expect to become debt-free in 18 to 24 months. That might sound like a long time, but what's 2 years compared to the rest of your life? More importantly, this journey does more than just fix your finances. People who become debt-free often say it changed everything. Their confidence grows, their relationships improved, and they make different career choices. They take better care of their health. Why? Because once you prove to yourself that you can take control of your money, you realize that you can take control of just about anything. Bonus truth: you're probably overpaying for your phone plan. If you're trying to pay off debt, don't overlook the small leaks in your budget. And a common one is your phone plan. Unless you're on your parents' $10 a month legacy plan from 2006, and lucky you, there's a good chance that you're paying way too much for that phone. Look into low-cost carriers with no contracts or flat rates. Some start as low as $5 a month. Trimming your bills, even $20 to $30 a month, can accelerate your debt payoff significantly over time. Paying off debt isn't only about owing less, it's about owning your future. Every dollar you pay off is one less chain holding you back from peace, options, and the control over your life. So yes, the financial system is rigged for you to fail. Yes, you'll have to make sacrifices. And yes, it's going to take time. But it is possible to get out of debt, and it's definitely worth it. If you enjoyed today's video, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to learn about the 5 worst ways to pay off your debt, then check out this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.